Welcome back to AutoNova, the ultimate destination for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into a true icon, reborn, reimagined, and more advanced than ever. Say hello to the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the gold standard of luxury sedans, now taken to an entirely new level. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 S-Class, you know this isn't just a car, it's a statement. Mercedes has always blended elegance with innovation, but this time, they've gone even further. The exterior design carries forward that classic S-Class silhouette, but with refined lines, sharper contours, and a bold front fascia that screams sophistication. The signature digital light headlamps and redesigned grille give the front end a commanding presence, while the seamless flush door handles and aerodynamic enhancements complete a look that is both graceful and powerful. But it's not just about looks. The 2026 S-Class brings a tech revolution to the luxury sedan segment. Step inside, and you're greeted with what Mercedes calls the hyper-luxury cockpit. Dominating the dashboard is a massive OLED touchscreen powered by the latest MBUX system. It's faster, more intuitive, and now features even deeper AI integration that learns your habits, preferences, and even moods. The display merges beautifully into the minimalist interior, where high-grade leather, open-pore wood, and ambient lighting come together to create a space that's more lounge than car cabin. Rear passengers aren't left out either. They get individual touchscreens, fully reclining seats, and an upgraded version of the executive rear seat package, complete with massage functions, climate control zones, and even calf rests. Whether you're driving or being driven, the 2026 S-Class makes sure you're in the lap of absolute luxury. Under the hood, the new S-Class doesn't disappoint. The base S500 comes with a refined 3.0-liter inline-six turbo engine paired with EQ Boost mild hybrid technology, delivering smooth power and improved efficiency. For those wanting more punch, the S580 features a 4.0-liter V8 with EQ Boost, offering breathtaking performance while maintaining that signature S-Class composure. Rumors are already swirling about the upcoming AMG variants, and if Mercedes' track record is anything to go by, we're in for something truly special. Driving the 2026 S-Class feels like gliding on silk. The updated e-active body control system reads the road ahead using cameras and adjusts the suspension in real time for an impossibly smooth ride. Add to that the latest in autonomous driving tech, Level 3 capabilities in select markets, and you've got a car that not only pampers but also thinks for itself. It's like having a chauffeur made of code. Safety remains a top priority. The 2026 model features an expanded suite of driver assistance features, including improved emergency braking, evasive steering assist, and a new pre-safe impulse side function that literally lifts the car up milliseconds before a side collision to better protect its occupants. Mercedes hasn't just updated the S-Class, they've future-proofed it. With over-the-air updates, sustainability-focused materials, and a focus on digital luxury, this car is more than ready for what's next. So, who is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class for? It's for the visionary executive, the luxury connoisseur, and anyone who wants the best of what automotive engineering can offer. It's not just a car, it's an experience, a status symbol, and a technological masterpiece wrapped in German precision. That's it for today's deep dive into the future of luxury sedans. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 S-Class, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update from AutoNova. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.